As from Kubernetes 1.16, a new type of probe is available, the startup probe. This is out of scope for the CKA and CKAD exam, but good to know for your knowledge. Startup probes are a little bit similar to readiness probes, but only executed at the startup. They are optimized for slow starting containers, legacy applications, or applications with unpredictable initialization processes. Now you know that with the readiness probes, you can configure the initial delay seconds to determine how long to wait before probing for the readiness. Now consider an application where it occasionally need to download some large amount of data or do an expensive operation at the start of the process. Since the initial delay seconds is a static number, we are forced to always take the worst case scenario or extend the failure threshold that may affect long running behavior. Waiting for a long time even when the application does not need to carry out a long running initial step is not a good practice. So with startup probes, we can instead configure failure threshold and period seconds to model this uncertainty behavior in a better way. For an example, setting failure threshold to 15, period seconds to 5 means application will get 15 times 5, that means 75 seconds to start up before it fails.